Today on .NET News, JetBrains uses dotMemory to optimize dotMemory, Microsoft Build is tomorrow, and of course we have my pick of today's links. But before that, to support the channel, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for more .NET content. Let's get into the news. JetBrains uses dotMemory to optimize dotMemory. Popular development tool studio JetBrains has published an interesting insight into how they've recently optimized their memory profiling tool, dotMemory. dotMemory analyzes memory usage in .NET applications and has been on the market for some time, but like any other piece of software, it's not immune to bottlenecks. In a recent blog post by Ilya Ivanov, JetBrains outlines how they recently encountered a problem in the Dominator tree within the app, a feature that allows .NET developers to understand how memory is retained. They noticed that at a certain point in the feature's execution, the quote, memory began growing rapidly at the speed of 1.17 gig per second, forcing the process to begin using a swap file, end quote. This left the app unable to easily snapshot data, and so they decided to use the dotMemory console profiler, a command line version of the app, to find the offending piece of code. Lo and behold, they were able to get a snapshot and open it in dotMemory, leading them to find an abundance of dictionaries in the codebase as the culprit. The blog post goes into great detail not only on how dotMemory profiles memory usage in .NET, but how they tackled the problem of profiling a profiler with a profiler. It's certainly reminiscent of Microsoft's Roslyn project, a C# compiler written in C#, and raises all kinds of interesting questions about how we can use our code bases on themselves during the development process. A big shout out to the team over there at JetBrains who continue to do amazing work for the .NET community. Microsoft Build is tomorrow. It's that time again. Microsoft Build starts tomorrow, and featured speakers include CTO Kevin Scott, cloud and AI expert Scott Guthrie, and of course CEO Satya Nadella, to name a few. The day kicks off with the keynote, where the Microsoft leadership will be, quote, revealing the latest innovations that are shaping the flexible, innovative and secure business environments of the future, end quote. Later on, we're treated to a session entitled Microsoft Build into Focus, Preparing for the Metaverse. Be sure to let me know what your predictions are for this year's build in the comments below. All in all, I think we're all pretty excited. I certainly can't wait to see what Microsoft has in store for us. And of course, to wrap us up, it's time for today's pick of the links. Today's pick is Inside the Microsoft Archives, a video where Scott Hanselman takes a walk down memory lane in the Microsoft Physical Archive in the run-up to Microsoft Build. The video is a nostalgic look at old OS versions, temperature control for archiving CDs, and of course, Clippy costumes. Link is in the description below. Make sure you give it a watch if you like old school Microsoft. And that is all the news we have for today, but we'll be back for some more developments in .NET soon. Of course, any links from this video can be found in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for more details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more news within and related to .NET. See you next time.